Here is ant survivor. On the tree, many ants are currently living. They have built numerous nests on its leaf, and the way of life look very simple. Bite by bite, they bring play to build nests on the leaf of that tree, leaving us a network with many individual nests across it. There are red ants that can pose a minor danger to hammer with someone unknowingly disturb their nest. They live in a group, and their homes are made of clay built up gradually over time until the entire tree is filled with the clay home. They carry food from below the tree up to their nest to feed their group and network. Living on the tree with many nests, they help protect one another from other predators such as birds and other creatures. As we can all see, there are many ants on the tree leaf, and they look extremely busy. They are trying to build their own nest with up to hundreds of ants in each individual nest. The ants are communicating with each other about building their home on the leaf before the rainy season arrives. As it's coming through, meanwhile, some other ants are carrying food to store inside their home. They are invited into teams. Some go to transport, play to build additional house, while others go out searching for food to store for the rainy season. The ant can bite you if you disturb the nest. So if you see them, do not go near or destroy the nest under any circumstance. If you destroy the nest, hundreds of ants from that single nest will fall all over your body. Their home are up in the tree, nearby on the leaf, and on a single tree. They are the best number of home up to thousands of nets of clay. The ants love sugar and flower, pollen, and they are been living on this tree for a long time. In general, the ants prefer to build their nest in tree because during the rainy season they cannot stay on the ground due to flooding.
Nó này bạch đó là điên chăm tục anh vô kết phơ à đấy bắt sao ao lấy ơi
cho tao mũi ngày đã trâu vào nào khao kêu chơi phê cái đại cái này